If you are getting a red error message and cannot build schedules, this video will give you ideas of things to try. Error messages happen when the schedule builder cannot create schedules based on a variety of factors. Error messages can be frustrating, but in most cases, they are easily fixed with some tweaks. In this video, we will highlight 5 examples of error messages and give you steps to resolve them.
First, check your filters. You may have set one or more filters that are in conflict with each other. Look at My Filters, which is the general filter that applies to your entire schedule. And also check Course Filters, which are specific to each course. Remove any filters that may not be necessary. Fewer filters will reduce the chance of error messages. For example, this student has created an unavailable time filter called Work, each day from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The student also added HIST 1040 Diversity and History to the course card, but only added section 0002. Because that section meets during the student's work hours, the schedule builder gave the error message, "Could not build any schedule with your course options and filters. Work, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. filter is removing one Diversity and History option." The error message points to the student's work filter and the Diversity and History course to indicate a conflict between the two items. To resolve the error message, the student has 3 choices. 1. Remove the section filter for HIST 1040, section 0002, to include all other sections of the course. 2. Uncheck or remove that course from the course card. Or 3. Uncheck or remove the unavailable time filter Work to eliminate the time conflict.
Second, check for any course restrictions. You may have added a course to your course cart for which you do not meet the requirements. In this example, a student has added ARTS 1510 Basic Drawing, which is restricted to art majors. Since the student is not an art major, they cannot take this course, so they are getting an error message. Available to Me filter is removing 7 other basic drawing sections. The schedule builder cannot create schedules using any of the 7 offered sections of basic drawing because this student is not eligible to take that course. The message points the student in the direction of basic drawing, so the student should review that course description to see what the specific issue may be, which is that they are not an art major. To resolve this error message, the student has 2 choices. They can uncheck the Available to Me filter, which will ask the schedule builder to overlook the fact that the student is not eligible to take this course, or they can delete the course from their course cart and search for courses for which they qualify.
Third, check to ensure the prerequisites for each course are met. Look for the red Missing Prerequisites alert. In this example, a student has added ACCT 2200 Managerial Accounting to the course cart. The prereqs for the course are Econ 1100 and ACCT 2100, courses the student took equivalents for at another college. However, the student's transcript from that college has yet to arrive, so the schedule builder does not know the student has satisfied the prereq for ACCT 2200. In this case, the student should submit a prerequisite permission to enroll form, which will need to be processed before the schedule builder will create schedules. To resolve the error message in the meantime, the student can set the Override Available to Me filter for the course. This allows Schedule Builder to create schedules using the course while the form is processed.
Fourth, check for course conflicts. You may have added 1 or 2 more courses to your course cart that have overlapping times. In this example, in their course cart, the student has GEOG 1070 Contemporary Environmental Issues and ENGL 1200 Interpretation of Literature, with the section filter set only to section 0037. The lecture for Contemporary Environmental Issues and that specific section 0037 Interpretation of Literature both meet at 12:30 on Monday and Wednesday. Since the schedule builder will not create schedules that include course conflicts, it is giving the error message. There are no schedules without time conflicts for GEOG 1070 and ENGL 1200 during spring 2018 using the provided filters. To resolve this error message, the student has two choices. They can decide between taking either contemporary environmental issues or that specific section of interpretation of literature, keeping the one they prioritize first. Or they can eliminate the section filter for interpretation of literature to include other times for that course.
Finally, check for seat availability. Checking that you have open courses in your course cart will be an important step after early registration begins, since courses in your course cart and preferred schedules could close before you register. If you would like to build schedules using closed or waitlisted courses, you can set the Override Available to Me course filter. But we recommend that you focus on creating schedules with open, available courses prior to your registration date. When you register, if one of your preferred courses has a waitlist, you can choose to be added to that waitlist then. For more information about error messages, please consult the Resolving Error Messages page on the registrar's website in Schedule Builder Help. Thanks for watching.